If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Snapchat, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings and information. Step 3. Go to the Snapcash section. Scroll down to find the Snapcash section in your profile settings. This is where you can manage your transactions. Step 4. View pending transactions. In the Snapcash section, look for any pending transactions. You should see a list of transactions that are still processing. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Select the pending transaction you wish to cancel. There should be an option to cancel it. Confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation. After following these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.